Thank you for choosing Durables. We offer low-maintenance, durable, and premium quality vinyl fencing and railing made in the USA. To demonstrate the strength and durability of our fencing, we worked with Intertech Architectural Testing Incorporated, the worldwide leader in building product testing, to perform a series of dynamic wind tests on our 6x8 Pembroke privacy fence. The panels tested were installed with fasteners following the high wind instructions provided in the installation guide. To conduct the test, we created a concentrated wind load by forcing the wind generated from an airplane engine through an 8-foot wide by 4-foot tall metal tunnel. We started the wind at 60 miles per hour and consistently increased it until we reached 110 miles per hour. Based on the results of this test, the engineers determined that our Wendell Privacy Fence panels that are 6 feet tall or less can withstand up to 110 miles per hour of sustained winds or wind gusts up to 130 miles per hour. Even at wind speeds equivalent to a Category 2 hurricane, you can see that there's no visible damage to the fence. When it comes to vinyl fencing, strength and durability are key, and Durables is the strongest on the market. Your fence must be installed following the high wind instructions provided in the installation guide in order to withstand the wind loads tested.